No tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is a new year. Happy New Year's, everybody. So if you're not familiar with my channel, then you got some catching up to do. So I will link some videos in the description box just so you can kind of get up to date to know what's actually going on. We've had some major changes go on in my life. But anyways, today's video though is actually the first of many to come. This is going to be a daily devotional. I had asked on my channel what you guys thought about it, and I had a ton of comments. I think there was actually like 740 something comments so far, and pretty much everybody was like, yes, that's a great idea, let's do the daily devotional. Well, I just thought it would be cool I wanted to do it for myself, but I just thought it would be cool, something to share with y'all, and just some girlfriend time, you know, just kicking it, just having a good time and putting our faith in God. That's what we're doing pretty much. So let's jump into this. Okay, so first off, the devotional that I'm going to be using it was created by Sarah Young. It's called Jesus Calling. Now, this is the 365-day daily devotional. There are lots of Jesus Calling books, though, actually, because I've actually had one before. It was a smaller one, and I've done it like the whole year through once before. But anyway, so there's several of these Jesus Callings, but this is just the 365-day devotional. Jesus Calling. Like I said, it's made by Sarah Young, and you can actually purchase these at Walmart. You could probably get it on Amazon, I would think, but you can actually purchase these, I know, at Walmart for sure. Anyways, so this is what I'm going to be using today. I just thought I would read the devotional with y'all. Maybe we'll talk about it a little bit. I don't know, maybe not. It just depends. So I've saved this first one to read with y'all, like, live, I guess you would say. I mean, obviously this is recorded, but like, I have not looked at this book to see what the first one was, because I just wanted it to be a surprise, kind of, and it would be a surprise with y'all. So anyways, all right, I'm just gonna read it, and then, like I said, we'll just kind of talk about it afterwards. So January 1st, and I'll show y'all what the pages look like. There's a little like dedication thing at the beginning of it. And then it has got, let's see, January. So here's January the 1st. As you can see, very cool. And then there's the 2nd. So it's literally every single day. It's very, very cool. All right, so it says, "Come to me with a teachable spirit, eager to be changed. A close walk with me is a life of continual newness. Do not cling to old ways as you step into a new year. Instead, seek my face with an open mind, knowing that your journey with me involves being transformed by the renewing of your mind. As you focus your thoughts on me, be aware that I am fully attentive to you. I see you with a steady eye because my attention span is indefinite. I know and I understand you completely. My thoughts embrace you in everlasting love. I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Give yourself fully to this adventure of increasing attentiveness to my presence." It's a very good one. And I love that the verse that they used is, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future." Jeremiah 29:11. That is probably the best verse that I could have possibly started this new year out on. Because with everything that's going on and everything that's happened, and just, oh my goodness, y'all, it's been a nightmare. But I know that God has got me. I know that we're going to be okay. There's not a doubt in my mind, not even an ounce of doubt in my mind, that God is not going to take care of me and my family. I just know it. I believe it with all my heart. sometimes that's easier said than done. I get that. Trust me. I've been there before where I was angry with God and very confused, and why is this happening to me? What is going on? What have I done? You know, I'm a good person. I try to be good to everybody, and then boom, my house blows away. Lord have mercy. Anyways, so I've been through all those emotions. I have definitely, it's been difficult, but there's still that part of me that just knows that the Lord is going to take care of us. And that is all I need. That's all I need, is just to know that God is going to take care of us and he's going to provide for us. And like I said once before, I do not think that that tornado was a mistake. I cannot go to bed at night thinking that that was a mistake. I have to believe that God has got bigger and better plans for me and my family. I just believe that with all my heart. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I know this is a super short video, but I just wanted to share this with y'all, and I thought I would do this every day. So I'm just going to pop on from time to time, or well, every day, but I'm just going to pop on. The videos will be, you know, short. I'm still going to bring y'all my update videos. Don't worry, I will still do that. But this daily devotional thing is going to be some very short videos, quick, simple. There's your Jesus for the day. How about that? Anyways, I hope that you guys did enjoy this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. I thank you so much for being with me. I hope that y'all enjoyed all of this, and y'all have a blessed day.